The Museum of Truth exists to help heal humanity by presenting the truth from God, religion without divisions, and by revealing the best of our achievements rather than the worst. Conflicts and cruelty arise in the world when people choose to focus on the worst in others, not realizing that in doing so, they awaken the same darkness within themselves. Yet God has promised that those who repent will be judged according to the best of their deeds, and their worst will be forgiven. He has also declared that if he were to destroy mankind for their sins, nothing would remain upon the earth. A truth that reminds us that guilt belongs to all, and therefore mercy must be extended to all. By honoring redemption above condemnation, the Museum of Truth encourages the moral balance that leads from guilt to grace, from vengeance to peace. Our exhibits, films, and teachings unite three great pillars of civilization: religion, culture, and conscience, to show that the history of humanity is not the story of evil's triumph, but of conscience awakening.